is, remember, the International Criminal Court that has issued arrest warrants for the Israeli Prime Minister Benjamin Netanyahu and his former Defense Minister Yoav Gallant. This, remember, is vis-a-vis the war crimes allegation where you have the ICC now issuing arrest warrants. What could this really mean? How serious are those charges and what has been the first response? We are awaiting our colleague Rishabh to join us in just a moment. But do remember, this is the International Criminal Court that has issued the warrant for the Israeli Prime Minister Benjamin Netanyahu and the former Defense Secretary for crimes against humanity and war crimes. Rishabh, many would say that this is the most documented genocide in history. Benjamin looks at it very, very differently. What has been the response from, the country so far, if at all there is any, and what could this mean?
Well, Israel is very clear. They have called this whole judgment from International Criminal Court in Hague absurd and anti-Semitic, and goes on to say that Israel has all rights to defend itself. This is what the reaction from Israel has come in. The new defense minister has also reacted to this in the similar language. Apart from that, if we talk about how things have been, ICC in past has also issued arrest warrant against Vladimir Putin, the president of Russia, as well, for similar charges of war crimes. But we haven't seen much of its impact on ground. Russia continues its aggression, and the conflict continues in Europe as well. Here in Gaza as well as Israel, we have seen that the ICC has issued arrest warrant against Prime Minister Benjamin Netanyahu as well as his former defense minister, and also the Hamas leader, who Hamas has already said has died earlier this year or has been killed in Israeli strikes earlier this year. So, definitely there is a document that has come out from ICC. The International Criminal Court has issued an arrest warrant. But how much of this will be implemented on ground, or how much of this will have an impact on the conflict, that, very many would say, experts would say, is something that is more of lip service than actual work on ground.
All right, Rishabh.